So I built the bridge in the back here, and we'll see if I can get the dirt bike over it and it doesn't break on me. I built it so my girlfriend and dog could walk over the creek we got. So we'll go test it right now and make sure the dirt bike can make it over. Oh, it looks really overgrown here. Luckily I took a bath in some bug spray. Yeah, here's the bridge. I do not... Oh, my plan was to go through that. Yeah, I don't think I'm doing that. Okay, well, this should work. Well, that worked. Okay. Well, my turkey vulture friend's not here. And then it goes right into, whoa! What the? Almost looped it out there. Go over this way. Take a tree branch to the head. A couple more. I know you can't tell, but this hill is actually pretty steep. Oh, I gotta stop letting go of the clutch like that. Oh, it's hot out. It is very hot. I think I'll go here, and all those branches there I could crush. Maybe. Or they go through my foot. Either way, it's a fun time, right? Oh, I don't have to. I can go through there. Look at that. Saved by the tree again. Alright. There we go, there's the hump line. Well, let's go keep exploring. See if we get stuck or fall.
A few moments later.
Just put a brand new battery in this thing. And that's how you get stuck. Woo. Oh. Undid my buckle. Oh, I could have broke my leg right there. Branches down everywhere. I feel like I'm riding a bull. Just getting bucked everywhere. We'll try and go down the hill on the other side here. Oh, I think there's supposed to be a clearing out here. Yeah. I've got to learn how to go downhill, so this is how we're going to do it. Is by forcing ourselves and stalling. Yeah, like this. We can run over some of these little trees. Like that. And like that. And like this. Maybe. That one had a took on us. Ooh, that was a bad choice. There we go. I got tree branches all over me now. Go up and around. I can see the hunt blind there where the vulture lives. Go. Woo! Woo! Yeah, this way. And over all that. Oh, we made it. I can't wait to actually carve out some trails through that. Oh yeah, that's the hole right there. I gotta ride like that to cool off. It's so hot out.